Good morning, friends. Welcome to a snow day in my life. It is Monday, March 25th. It's about 10 o'clock. I've finally gotten myself out of bed. It's really, really wet and it's supposed to rain again. I think they said we got about like 8 inches, but yeah, it's nice packy snow. Which this is our first snow day of the year, and we always have 3 that we have saved up. And it's not like if we don't have snow days, we just get out of school early. We just have extra time built into the schedule to accommodate that. And we also made virtual learning packets this year too. So we could have had up to 6 snow days and just, at the end of March, and we're just now having our first. And honestly, when I woke up, I was like, oh, it's not even snowing now. And at least my road is plowed. We probably could have had school, but I'm really happy we don't because the kids deserve a snow day. Kids need that time to be free, and especially if the snow is so packy. The kids are just outside making forts at their houses. So I made these muffins the other day. Let's see, today's Monday. I made these muffins Saturday afternoon, and it's such a great recipe because it's a 1 banana recipe. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I actually have 3 bananas. Well, now I have 2. So today I'm gonna use the rest of my bad bananas and just double the recipe to make 2. Because they're really good, and it's just nice to have a little snack. And I'm the kind of person that would spend $1 at the coffee shop on a little dinky muffin. Happy snow day, y'all! Do you eat the pulp? I like a nice pulpy orange juice. I don't mind just bottoms up. If you've been around a while and you've known that we bought this house and we're fixing it up, here's what the downstairs bathroom / laundry room is currently looking like. I don't know about you, but I always keep my crowbar in the bathroom. There's actually nothing in these cabinets because we are taking them down and putting new ones up. And I'm really excited because up here is disgusting. And I want to do cabinets all the way to the ceiling and get rid of this weird linoleum. I don't even know what to call that stuff. So Dan's done the drywalling. We're gonna paint. He's really got some safe electrician stuff happening here. So he took out the flooring, he did all the drywalling, he took out the stuff. He installs the outlets himself, GFC, I think that's what the abbreviation is. None of them in the house have them, so as we fix each room, we've been fixing it, and by we, I mean him. I just fund it. So this beautiful yellow floor, we think, is what this entire main level is, and they just covered it up with this. Dan thought we would be able to just put the floor right over the top of this like they did, but then he realized back here there's some mold, so he's gonna have to redo the subfloor over here too. Okay, we are headed to the grocery store. I need some milk and a couple of other things. It's only raining out and the roads are clear, and I know that because the grocery store is pretty close to here, and if my road's clear, the grocery store road is clear. Walmart Rolling Stone sweatshirt, love this. It's got little rhinestones on it too. Victoria's Secret pink, I guess it's more like a jogger, and then my Crocs, and they're like a high-heeled Croc. They're hilarious. I love them. They're glittery, and they're great for puddles. And when we were down at the store, we're gonna grab a little Caribou coffee because we're out of milk, so I couldn't make a coffee here, and I just love a turtle mocha. And I love their pasta salad. And taco dip.
It's due Thursday, so I'm gonna leave it on.
This thing is kind of creepy. Walmart doesn't sell this flavor and it's such a bummer. We are home and the slippers are on. This is like the Barbella by UGG, so like the sister brand. Perfect. I am someone that like the minute I'm home, the slippers are on, or like the big fuzzy socks. Never ever bare feet in the house, and never ever shoes in the house. Whipping cream for pumpkin cream cold brews. Put all the groceries away. Did I buy a milk? No. Oh. I finally got around to Mod Podging this puzzle I did over winter break. So I Mod Podge the front and then I flip it over when it's dry, you know, like tomorrow, and then do the back. And then I'm going to swap out this puzzle because this is one of the first ones I did. And it's a murder mystery, which is weird. And I don't remember if we ever hung this up or if it was just sitting around in a closet. But, you know, I don't want a fake dead lady on the wall. So we'll just toss this one and put the cute cat one in there. Let's see what's here. Yeah, this one is adorable. Can't wait to put that back up. And then this one, Dan actually did a big, huge Pokemon puzzle, like 4,000 pieces or something. And he just put it back in the boxes in big sections. So he'll easily be able to put it up and then he'll put it in his man cave. Same thing for like this flower one. And then, yeah, this Disney one too. I'm thinking that I'm going to put them on this wall up here. We've talked about painting this wall, but you know, it's obviously very, very tall. We also talked about putting a chandelier up here and it just hasn't happened. And I'm kind of tired of them sitting around. So I don't know. We'll either put them on this wall probably, this blank wall, or this wall. Eventually this room will have like a TV stand and then a TV over there, and then there'll be more than just this couch. We always have this middle section pulled out, so it like seems like a bed, but I mean it's not, it's a couch. And then eventually in this area we want to have like a big old comfy chair. Cheyenne, this is ridiculous. How many toys do you need? Decided to clean out the fridge top. The glass is just drying right here. There was some mysterious things on it. But it's about 4:30-ish. We're going to make this. So the pepper I got was not good anymore. But that's also my fault because our HelloFresh day is Tuesday. So I probably should have made this earlier and I never got around to it. Dan does the meal ordering and he usually does like a solid Dan style meal. So like a meat potato, which I'm not a fan of. He'll do like a me dish, which is usually a pasta or like a fancy rice bowl. And then he'll do like a second option that's something that we both like. And so he's pretty good at picking and knowing what I like. So we're gonna make this. Okay, we're gonna finish our coffee, and here's how dinner turned out. Happy Monday, y'all! We've got shorts for volleyball tonight. We've got our cup of the day for our fancy drink. A little, well, I'd call it water, but it's caffeinated water that I'm just finishing up this morning. You know, the slippers of the day. We're very brown today, but just kind of what I was feeling wearing. Grades 2, 3, 4, 5 have a field trip this afternoon. We're going to a different school in our district, and we're watching the wheelchair basketball team from UW Whitewater, and I think they're doing motivational speaking on disability awareness, and then they're actually having a couple kids and staff members try out wheelchair basketball, and my FIA teacher already appointed me as one of our people from our school, so I figured I better wear something, you know, somewhat athletic. Okay. We want these shoes, kind of match the brown situation. It's actually raining today, so it's the first time in a long time that it's rained, and I totally would wear rain boots, but again, need to wear something athletic. I'm so mad at myself for forgetting to buy milk because I really wanted to try this out. It looks so good, but alas, we'll just have to get coffee. I know, just tragic. You can get this at Walmart. It's my attempt at a Taco John's prickly pear lemonade, if you're familiar with that at all. They had it like, I don't know, 4 years ago, and I had it like at least once a week, and now they don't have it anymore, which is just sad. Bring it back, please, Taco John's.
We have a first account to check into.
Hi, mobile order for Monica. As you can see, it's quite wet outside. Needed a binder for the rest of my vocabulary words for unique learning, and then we're out of Tide Pods. Using up the last of my PTO money. I probably should have worn a raincoat and not my winter coat. It's 37, so that's kind of raincoat weather, I think. Hey, happy lunchtime. We've got some leftover math. This is from the language portion of Reading Mastery. Some beautiful taco roll-up. And then this is the unique learning system. Make the sentence correct. So, capital letter, ending punctuation. It's like what I harp on all of the time. So it's snowing now, again. It's been raining for like 24 hours straight, and now it's starting to freeze. Had a busy day, came back from that field trip, had an IEP meeting at 2:45, and then I also had volleyball practice until 4 o'clock. Normally when I have an IEP, I just like to stay until I get all the paperwork typed up and submitted, but I'm just gonna go home because I don't want to be caught here and having to drive on not so great roads. I didn't even eat my yogurt today. And I brought a pasta salad because that's what I was gonna eat for dinner, but looks like I'm just gonna take that home, and that's okay. Frozen. Very, very frozen. What do you think of the snow, Cheyenne? You don't like the snow? You just want my tuna, don't you? Yeah, you know what's up. You're not getting any. Nope, you're not getting any at all.